About this item 8-in-1 ATX power supply tester support test 20-pin ATX/24-pin ATX/HDD, IDE, /floppy 4-pin /PCIe 6-pin /4-pin /EPS 8-pin, note, cannot fit for PCIe 8-pin, /SATA connectors aluminum alloy enclosure light and easy to carry, high strength. Nice thermal conductivity and corrosion resistance. 1.8 LCD screen outputted voltages shows on the 1.8 LCD screen, easy to read. The 1.8 LCD screen was powered by 20-pin /24-pin connector. Note, the product screen has a load of scratches all over it. Because the screen is easy to scratch, we put a protective film on it. If you think it's not beautiful, you can tear it off by yourself. Beep alarm when your power supply test value is beyond normal range. The power supply tester would issue a buzzer alarm. Easy to know. Note, the voltage of 20-pin /24-pin connectors is displayed by the LCD screen as +3.3V, +12V1, +5V, -12V, 5VSB, PG, except +12V2 on LCD screen. The voltage of PCIe 6P/4P/EPSP8 connectors is displayed by the LCD screen as +12V2. Note, the voltage of IDE, HDD, floppy, SATA connector is displayed by the light.